Okay, so I've brought out the two fun bats today to give them a test fly. Well, primarily to give this smaller one a test fly. So this is smaller than the other one, and it's using 3 2-gram servos and a 2S Lipo. So let's give it a go today on the small jumper tea light.
Switch warning. Throttle active.
There we go. Set to mini bat. Let's see how this little tiny thing will. Oh my word, yes, it works. My thing is, I've got my glasses on. I'll take my glasses off so I can see what I'm doing when I'm flying. Right, try again. So it's really tiny. That should be really good. That should be good indoors. Just need to set up the elevator because it's way too high, the elevator. Look at that, it'll turn on a penny though. I can't see me having any trouble with that inside. It'll probably fly a bit faster indoors as well because there'll be no wind about. Yep, that was worth doing. Bit aggressive on the elevator and my miniature one. Well, that flies okay outside. I added a little bit of yellow packing tape to the fuselage, and that's added an extra 2 grams to it. So it's now 75 grams all up weight this. 3 mini 2-gram servos, one for each aileron and one for the elevator, and a small 1504 motor. Oh, I'll have no trouble doing loops indoors with this. Yeah, that's a great success. The Fun Bat is really a versatile model. I suppose really I could have tried a catch for that. That'll do for now. Hope you enjoyed that little test flight, guys. Well, there it is. Two tiny 2-gram servos, one for each elevator, one for the ailerons, one for each aileron and one for the elevator, and some coloured packing tape on the underneath. 1504 motor, and yes, I have a folding prop. Right, let's try the bigger one now.